Today I want to share with you how you can set up your Instagram profile and use it as a sales page. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. If you like content like this around Facebook, Instagram advertising and organic marketing on social media, then give me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it. How can you set up your Instagram profile and use it as a sales page? Because it's cheaper to keep people on the platform. It costs more when we run Facebook, Instagram ads to take people to our website when we take them off the platform. So anything that keeps people on the platform on Facebook or Instagram or also WhatsApp, that's part of the Meta family. Or if we ask them to fill out a lead form on the platforms, all that is cheaper and you get more people to opt in. So how can you set up your Instagram profile and use it as a sales page? You can use this for both organic marketing and paid ads, because on paid ads you can actually send people to your Instagram profile. And there you have, first of all, a good headshot picture in your profile picture, so it looks professional. And then in the bio, you sell your lead magnet, meaning that you tell people the benefits of that lead magnet, and it's something valuable for free that you're giving people, like an ebook or a cheat sheet or a mini course. And then you add that link where they can get this free lead magnet. Of course, that link will take them off the platform. But that's okay, because the rest of it is going on the platform itself. So the link that you are where you're sending them to get the lead magnet, there you should of course collect people's email addresses, so they give out their name and email address in return for that lead magnet. So you collect their email addresses, so you can also do email marketing and continue to nurture them there. Because most people will not purchase right away. So yeah, and then you can use the story highlights. You can have one story highlight with the testimonials and one with the client comments, nice comments that you got in the chats on Instagram or Messenger or YouTube or anywhere. And you can have one with the value, where you're giving value. You can also have one that positions you as a thought leader, if you ever spoke on a stage or so, or have a book. Then you can have that in one highlight. You can also have one with some personal stuff to get people to know you. And then make sure that you also post regularly, because if there's no post for several months, it doesn't look too professional. It looks like you're not taking your business seriously. So post at least 1 or 2 times with valuable content on your profile. And then there's a pinned comments. We have 3 pinned comments on Instagram. And make sure that you pin posts that are really valuable, like client testimonials or a really good value post where you give value. Or maybe a post that shows you as a thought leader, where you're speaking on the stage again. Yeah, so this way is also has a side benefit of giving you more followers that you can then also continue to nurture until they hopefully convert and become a client. This method is really great for service-based businesses in particular. For instance, coaches and consultants. So comment below what your takeaway was, and give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more. I post both around organic marketing and paid marketing, Facebook, Instagram ads. I do lives every day at the moment around organic marketing, so subscribe for that and share it with friends that might find it valuable also. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.